dude, this is a bad fucking decision on my part. Oh yeah, I went down nice and slow. Hurrah!
I didn't think you were gonna bring that down here. You're crazy, dude. You know what though? You almost had it.
Oh! What's up?
You gonna hang out here for a minute or go back out?
Yeah, I'll take a minute.
We're not gonna get.
What's up?
So we're not gonna get back out there.
Yeah, you definitely need to run on. Oh, careful.
You're never gonna get up there, dude.
If we can take this line all the way up, get this big fucking boulder out of the way, all the way up, yeah, we'd be fine. Yeah, so definitely this line.
I bet you're wishing you had the little XT right now.
Yeah, I am. Oh, fuck. This is gonna suck. I don't want to, Jeff.
I'm sorry.
I just don't want to.
Get a good run.
Almost there. Well, we're here. Fucking dick.
Man, that thing made it up this like it was easy.
Yeah. Well, I think we should be good now. Yeah. Very pretty.
It's in there pretty good. I gave it a little tug and
Yo.
solid AF.
Fuck.
Yeah, I better take a video for the gram.
Okay, so that's ready to go. The rubber cement.
Rubber cement.
All right.
I don't know if you'll need the rubber cement.
Jeff's might be better to pull it.
See?
Nailed it. That's a big old nail.
That is a big old fucking nail.
Holy.
So now we're just getting her all bored out good. All right, here. Rubber cement me. Sorry, Brody. Thanks, bud.
Oh, man. That's a big fucking nail. It's at a 4-inch.
Like, where the fuck was that thing? Like, what would we have driven over?
Steve got a railway spike when we went out.
A railway spike?
A big fucking railway spike.
Oh, get the fuck in there. Jesus Christ.
Going?
Okay. Now I'm supposed to give this one big pull out.
Yep.
Yeah!
Nice.
You got a lighter?
Lighter? Yeah, I do.
It helps if you melt there.
All right, those are done, man.
I don't know if you'll need to, though.
What a friggin' nail. Son of a beach. Son of a beach. Jesus. I must have been sitting right on my fucking rim.
Mind if I grab one of these, Colin?
Oh yeah, man, go for it. Don't let them get cold. So you say just lighter? Oh,
Just give her a little
light it on fire.
Yeah, basically. Give her a good.
We're fucking calm and hot dogs.
Thank you, sir. Every now and then I have a good idea. Trying to avoid totally lighting my bike on fire, but I want that to burn right down. Wicked. I'll leave it just like that, and hopefully that'll melt right down in. Let's eat. All right. Made it home okay. Pouch held up. Tire held air. Perfect. Still 26 psi. This is what got pulled out of it. So, like, what the actual fuck? That thing was so long. Anyways.